Hello, Jace Perry. Most side hustles are overcomplicated. You got websites, funnels, content to create, followers to build, customer service, find a product, all of that. Okay, just imagine this is you here. You've already got your own shit to deal with, yeah? So what most people do when they look at side hustles is that they create a side hustle. I'll just put side hustle, right? But the side hustle actually adds more shit to their plate. And who wants more shit on their plate? All right, everyone's got their own issues, okay? In my mind, now I could be wrong, but I can't see how. There's actually three things, but we'll go into the third in a minute. There's two things a good side hustle should do for you. And it's definitely not add more shit to your plate. It's add more time and add more money. And that's why I choose AI books, selling AI books on Amazon, because that will actually add more time and money. And here's how it works. Do you think with anything you've got to put in the work, okay? You have to put in work to start with. And with AI books, you put in the work to just say one AI book, okay? That goes on to Amazon. Amazon, it sells on Amazon, and then you collect a royalty. But you've done the work once now, but this book can keep selling over and over, and these customers can keep paying you over and over. So you're actually producing more time at that point, producing more money, and producing more time, because time buys money, right? Just like one of my students here, Debbie, who started doing this properly in March. Last month, April, she's made her first $1,000 with books she's created, and those books will keep making her money now. Keep producing her income over and she's done the work, and it's going to keep producing her income. Now she's looking at ways to do this to actually make enough money to leave her day job. So she's making serious money and creating more time and money to do something life-changing now. And it's only because she created here really good books that sell. And if you want a step-by-step on how to do that, I'll leave a link below, okay? Now, there's one other thing. I mentioned there's two things a good side hustle should do. The third thing, which is very important, so I thought I'd leave it to last, and most people overlook this, is energy. A good side hustle, a good side hustle should actually give you more energy. Now, I don't know about you, but if you have a shitty customer, that drains your energy, right? I've had it with Etsy. Someone buys 10 of my shirts. A week later, I want my money back. I'll send you the shirts back. They've taken their pictures now, so they don't need the shirts, right? And they want to send it back. And most of the time when it comes to that with Etsy, you would just say, I'll refund you, keep the shirts. Just to protect your energy. Because what you're doing there is protecting your energy, right? It doesn't make sense just to like give them the shirts, give them the money. They've kind of got free shirts. But it's more important that you do that to protect your energy. So you've already got enough stuff you're dealing with in your life to strain your energy. The last thing you want to do is add bad energy into your life with a side hustle. And again, with AI books and Amazon kind of protects you there. I mean, it's kind of weird saying that, but they protect your energy because you don't even know this customer. They never deal with you. They don't need to know who you are. Unless you use an author name, which I always advise against. I'll say use a pen name so they don't know you, right? So you can stay completely anonymous. They don't know who you are. They just buy your book. They like your book. But the ones that don't like your book, because there's always going to be someone you don't even know. Let Amazon deal with that. You protect your energy. You increase your time and money. All works beautifully. And that's why I choose AI books. And that's why I recommend you should too as well. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.